Is your Samsung Galaxy Buds core keeps disconnecting from your phone again and again? You connect them, and a few seconds later they drop off. Don't worry, let's fix it by following a few quick simple ways. First, make sure your buds are not connected to two devices at the same time. This can cause connection issues, like when one device is playing audio, the other one disconnects instantly, and that can interrupt the whole experience. Sometimes, this issue may happen due to unintentional touch on your buds. So go to Settings, Buds Settings, and from Touch Controls, make sure Play and Pause is turned off if it's not necessary for you. Next, check the simplest thing, battery level. If your earbuds or case are low on charge, the connection can drop randomly, so just place them back into the charging case. Now, here's a quick indicator tip. When the case shows a red light, it means low battery, yellow means medium charge, and green means fully charged. Once it turns green, try reconnecting your buds again. Then make sure you're within range. If you move too far away from your phone, the Bluetooth connection can easily drop, so keep your phone nearby. Still not fixed? Go a step further. Open your phone's settings. Then from Buds Settings, go to Earbuds Software Update. Check that you are up to date because sometimes this kind of problem happens due to software issues. If it still doesn't fix it, go to More Connections from the settings page and choose Reset Your Buds. This is the last option you can try to fix this. And when your buds pop up, reconnect them and check if they are working properly. And that's it. Thanks.